nice guy. Anyways. Yeah, my new madhouse. Oh, cool. Teardown services. Okay. Just open this. Train. I thought like launches and I don't know. Move that. Why am I inside? Oh! What the hell? That was weird. Weird. Anyway. My stuff. Hey, look, a treadmill.
Hey.
What?
What's wrong?
You can speak?
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Nothing, sorry. Welcome to teardown, everyone. Welcome to teardown. My first teardown video. Or video that I'm doing something cool. You know, yeah, a treadmill.
Stupid.
Shut up!
Says the one that doesn't have a hairline.
Whatever.
Stop throwing things.
Tell me what to be careful.
Bruh.
Yeah, you don't even like it. What the hell is wrong with it? It's gonna explode on me. Okay, well. Wait. Damn it. Well, never mind. Wait, no, wait. Oh. I'm gonna prank him. I don't even know.
Oi.
That's funny. Okay, anyways. Gas bill. What the? Oh. Wait, give me a second. No, wait, no. I can fly. It's bad.
Jesus. Stop that.
Don't tell me what to do. I'm gonna take care of it. Of course I would take care of it. Who do you think I am, grandmum? I'm the best and I know what I'm doing. That's one way too close. I'm sorry. Whoops. Okay. Oh, I'm looking the wrong way. That's my escape vehicle. Okay, yeah. How far? I can't even fly it. Okay, whoops, I forgot. Okay, first of all, our first problem is this. Ow! I have like double the health and more ammo, so I also have more time when alarms go off. I suck. I've done this once before, and you know, I've recorded a video. It was stupid and I hated it, so I'm redoing it. That's what I get. Because, you know, it's dumb. I think this is my favorite mission by far. Down a house. It's the first mission. I like the first mission. Ah, there it goes. Wait, now how am I gonna pull it? Oh wait, hang on, I can push it, can I? Can use one of these. What if I like grab it? that. Dodge! Holy. How are they still too tall? Oh, I did it. I'm done. Yeah. I guess I kind of cheesed it. I like that. Cool. Oh man, I can't even. Please try bomb.
Hey, you missed.
Investigation. A favor. Teresa. The police? The po-po? Oh, am I stealing? I like stealing. Yeah. Okay. Fire alarm. So no fire. It's only required, no optional. Okay, I just have to go get them. That's easy enough. I just go in here and steal it. But I do remember, since the last time I played this, before completing it, you should go find items. Go explore every house. Try find stuff. And that's the good part about this. I hate these houses, by the way. These houses suck. They're all made of damn materials that I can't destroy. Yet. I'll find a way. Oh, hey. I can just go in here. Oh my god, valuable. 80 pounds! Oh, $80! It's dollars in this game, not pounds. I would say pounds. I usually say dollars anyway. It's fine. Yeah! I got 80 pounds. No, $80. I know. I know. I've played this game before. I just never used the quick save option because I am stupid. Oh, yes! Yeah, I feel so proud of myself. I need to go explore the first mission too, don't I? Oh. Is there any items I can steal? Oh, I can go over there. I don't want to save that. Hold on. I don't think I'm gonna go. Yeah. This is fun. Oh, this is big, and I like it. Yeah. Circular saw. That's worth so much. Oh, another one. Another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
That's the most I've seen in a mission. Wait, no, not the most I've seen in a mission. The most I've seen in a building at all. And it's in the second mission. Oh my lord. I should have also checked the first one. I should do that. You're meant to be able to go up there, but these stairs are not down. The way to go up there, what I've learned, is that you put the stairs back. You just grab them, and, you know, you stick them. Stick them. Stick them. Like this. At the glass, obviously. Is there anything in here? Oh, that's a target. I didn't know that. I forgot. So, oh, there's another ladder. Not a ladder. Oh my god. I wonder what could be over there. Come back here. Whoops, I'm too strong. Damn it. Mother quacker. I'll take a walk. This explodes, by the way. I remember it from a mission. Like that. Ow! I didn't get hurt that much. Oh my god, sick. I love this. Oh, it's almost circular. It's useless because it's not circular. Circular. This is so fast! No one goes to these places much. Except for me, obviously. So obviously they're gonna hide something over here. No? It's very detailed. Look at this. Onboard diving board. I'm breaking this. I'm pretty sure water hurts you, right? Maybe? No? Does it hurt you? You don't drown? Wow, that's so damn boring. Dumb, stupid. Let me up. Let me up. Sneak. Play some sneaky snitch music. Damn it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, yes, oh yes. We're good, we're fine, we're all good, yeah. What's the last one over there? It's over there. I don't think I have been over there, I think. Maybe? Who knows? Maybe. Don't think I've been in it. No. Oh, wait, hang on, I remember this. Using this as a staircase to the windows. Like that. The jump? Yes! I could still grab this and then boom, I've won, but like, I still gotta explore, right? See, that's why we explore! There's another one!
Another.
Huh. Shut up, I'm exploring. Man. Shut up! Keep telling me to do stuff. I want to. Fine. There we go. Oh no, someone was watching us. Ah! TV. Oh no! There has been a break-in. Oh no!
Get a job, man.
Bruh. Use those weights to lift.
Shut up.
Lazy.
Lift a weight.
Fine, I will. See? So easy. Get a job.
You.
I have one. Oh, turn things down, you stupid treadmill. Jesus Christ. Are you okay? Damn it. Oh, well, there's no point in keeping it. You'll be fine in the morning. You'll be fine. Oh, you want me to steal those? Oh, gladly. Wait. No. Okay, let's sneak in. Don't worry, guys. I know what to do. Okay, we come here. Then over here, we need a tree. Oh, wait, no, we can use box. We can use a box. Now, can we climb over the fence using the box? No. Okay, so login devices. This is a heist. I see. I'm gonna go from here to then here. I think I have a pretty good path to do this. So first of all, we're gonna need this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take that. Run over here. I need another one. Give me a second. There's only one more. Poo. Right. We're gonna take it. Then we're gonna run. We're gonna run through here. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump to there. And go up here, bunny hop to here. Is there anything in this one? Yes. So we're gonna hop. We're gonna hop. We're gonna go. Right, we're gonna, not over here. Obviously, we're gonna take it. I have to take this route though. So we're gonna take it, we're gonna go up there. We're gonna drop down here. I knew it. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna go for that. And then we're gonna go to this one. Then, what we can do, if we just move all of this. Because they don't need any of this. Is there anything down here that we might miss? No. Oh yeah, okay. Cool. Alright. I'll remove all this real quick. And then when I'm gonna jump through here. Onto here. Jump onto the roof. I jump down here. Turn. Up the stairs. Take that. Out through here. To run over here. And then we leave. Right, that's my plan. That's my plan. That's my plan. Let's hope this works. Because I haven't tested anything yet. So, first run. That way, I know what I'm doing. Oh. Oh, of course. Now you want to give me it. Treadmill. Treadmill. Do you like Fortnite?
No.
Me neither. Here, have a chair.
You missed.
Shut up. Need coffee. Marina too small. The share cabin? I'll do it for free! Obviously, I know what I'm doing. go. Easy. Of course. Oh, we're just taking the dog with us. Oh, it's all the way over there. Wait, required? What do you mean required? Oh my god. There's still more. What do you want me to do now? Now what do you want me to do? Man. Give me that. That in. Okay, I'm done. Oh! What the hell, man? I'll take that. Sunglasses! Yay! I love sunglasses. Until later. Yeah! Maybe, let's go. Put this there, put that there, and we done. Uh-oh. We don't need this no more. I said we don't need this no more. Okay. There's my treadmill. Shush.
You missed.
Ugh. Can't stand this guy. Classic. Who do you think I am? My arrest? That was so dumb. So, what is that? Why alarm 2? Okay. So this one in here, and one on the boat. Well, I know what to do with the one on the boat. Oh. Alright, it is time to do this. So obviously, we have to take this vehicle, drive it over here. And crashed, yeah, that's good. To the rocks, to the rocks, to the rocks, and backwards. To the rocks, to the rocks, to the rocks, and forwards. Yeah, basically that. should be good, right? Need like a little bit. Yeah, drive that to there. Oh, perfect. Okay. So obviously we don't have one. So let me just move this. Let me go over here. Move these. Move that. Move this a little bit. Open these doors. Oh wait, is that it? Oh my god, this is so easy. Easiest heist ever done. Just drive that in, and then we drive the other one in. Oh my god. Open the gate for me! Okay, I'll do that. Will it open for me? No. Do it again. Look at me. I'm flying. This is automatic, correct? Yeah. Let's just do this. I'm more than enough time. Boom. Wow. Still 102 seconds. New rank. Oh, I'm a novice. Treadmill, you in there?
Yeah.
Good. Don't call me that. Oh my god, I don't care. I have more time this time. Meaning now I can actually do this without using mods. So I'm so... So I'm not even gonna plan it. I'm just gonna go. We need 3 and we can get optionals. Just gonna take this. Whoops. That's all of them. That's all I need. I need to get out. I need to leave. 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 Now. I need a car. I need a car. I need a vehicle. Any vehicle. Oh, this. Perfect. think this is fast. Dude, the helicopter hasn't even gotten here yet. Oh, let's go. That still took me ages. Let's see. Hello.
Get alive. Ow.
Yes, finally. Heavy lifting. Side mission. Oh, of course I'll do a side mission. Sorry, I didn't hate it. I hated this one. I absolutely despise this one. You wanna know why? You wanna know the reason why? It's because, guess. Yes. You probably said the wrong answer. But in the heavy lifting, just, it sucks. It takes ages. And you know, because I have more time, that means I can use this. Where is it? It's over there. You have optional too, which sucks because I only need one. And I'm not going to do the optional because the optional ones suck. Stupid. In my way. Get out of my room. Clean it now. Okay, grab valuable. Fill up more. Okay, what the hell was that? Oops. Let me up, let me up, let me up. There we go. This is easy. Yeah! Why didn't I do this before? Wow. New tool. That's surprising. Oh yeah. I completely forgot about that. I completely forgot I could do that. Tools. Plank. Okay. GPS. What do you mean by the GPS? I'm doing every mission. Oh, obviously not in this one video. Jeez, who do you think I am? Okay, grab him. Okay, so we grab this one. No, so basically, I did this on my last one. So we grab this one. We get in the boat, we go drive all the way up there. We grab this one, get in the vehicle, get down to like down to here, get on to here, run all the way to the vehicle, get another vehicle, get all the way over here, and that's the end of our thing. But I want to see how big our planes are. Yeah, that's good. And I have a lot of planks, by the way. That is good. That is amazing. Get out of my way. Get out my room! I need my space! It's like in here. Oh, it's past here. Oh! would you look at that? I never knew. How was that? Okay. So, we get here. We grab this. Okay, we grab this. We get in this vehicle. And yeah. So, and then I'm going to go up here. Let me use this vehicle because I don't want to use my main vehicle first. Because my main vehicle first would suck. So we use the vehicle, we drive all the way there, we crash into the wall, get out, go up the stairs. Let me show you. Right, we go up like this. Right, we do that. We run over here. Grab that. Right, first of all. Okay, now it's in position. I'm gonna, real quick, use that. I'm gonna come over here. Move that like that. There we go. And then we can do that. Vehicle. We like right here. So I can grab it, get out, get in the vehicle. Alright, we drive. Drive through that. We can do this. Drive through it. Obviously, I'm not gonna run over here. Wait a minute. Oh my god, this is so much faster. That is so much. Okay. So, we do that. Literally what I just did. And I can reach. Damage. Okay. If I can't reach, then what am I gonna do? I go up here, then I can. Up. Okay, yeah. We'll go across here. Up there. No, wait, no, that sucks. Up here. Grab that. Up here, over here. Get a vehicle, which I'll go get in right now. And then we can go to the other vehicle and boom, we're good. Okay. I literally just set that up. Look at me. I am so good. Wow. Guys, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. This is definitely not a plug. Like, you should plug. This is definitely not a plug. You should definitely go subscribe right now. Go subscribe right now if you see this. Go on. I see your little fingers, your little fishy fingers. Go on. Click it now. This vehicle real quick. Give me a second. Obviously, if it doesn't open in time, so then this would happen. Oh, wait, no, we're good. It opens in time. No crap. So, let me do this. And then that's it. Let's do this. Yas. I think I just drove it. Sick. And I'm gonna hit you.
Ow.
Oh, shut up, you're fine. Liar. Bruh. Okay, you know what? Water tower. Yeah! I can do that. I'll do it. Ow, my hand, I just hit myself. Oh, bombs. Fire alarm, of course it does. Fire alarm. Oh, yes. This vehicle. In my favor, you shall be helpful. Okay. There it is! Oh, that stupid... Man. Jesus.
Bomb has been
Get rid
planted.
of that. Jesus. I forgot I had this. Come on! Ah. Oh, there it goes! Oh, come on! No way! What you... Ah. Give me a sec. Come on, I have nothing? Wait a second. Don't think about it. Just go to party. Na, 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 na. be more explosives somewhere. Fuse. A fuse. I'm just gonna hit it. That actually scares me. That's still not going down. Is there any more explosives that I can use? Please? Oh, hey! There's more. Perfect. Oh. Did it just drop something? Did it just drop me another one? There's no way it gave me a propane tank. What's in this? Oh my god. What do I do? There's nothing I could do. It's all cooked. What do I do? Do I like just restart? God damn it. Okay, well, if y'all enjoyed, that would be great. Okay, bye.